Welcome back to Auditing Justice. Today we will watch a very satisfying encounter between a deputy of the El Paso Sheriff's Office and a law student, Joel Martinez. This video is courtesy of him. Make sure to check out the original video in the description below. On January 8, 2024, law student Joel Martinez was working with a locksmith to gain entry into his vehicle after losing his keys at a junkyard in Anthony, Texas, when he was approached by a deputy of the El Paso County Sheriff's Office. The deputy was responding to a call of suspicious behavior. The interaction that follows was captured on the deputy's body cam.
Hello. Buenas noches. José Méndez, mucho gusto.
¿Cómo está?
Bien, bien. How you doing, brother?
Bien good.
All right.
Yeah.
¿Tienen problemas con el carro?
Oh, no, se me había quedado afuera y luego se me perdieron las llaves allá adentro en el junket.
Okay, say that again.
I lost the keys in the junkyard over there.
Okay.
So I called them to come and get the...
To come open the gate or what?
Huh?
To come open the gate?
No, the key. The car. The car is the one that lost the keys. I lost the keys to the car.
Oh, like you went into the property and you dropped the keys?
Yeah. I was in there doing, like regular junkyard stuff, looking for my parts.
Yeah.
When I was leaving is when I found out I didn't have my keys. They let me go in, look for them all over the 30 acres of cars they have.
Okay.
Didn't find them, so they just grabbed the tractor and moved the car outside so I could call them locksmiths.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's weird, yeah, because we got a call with a gentleman with your description. That's why, on the property. Were you the only one on there?
Yeah, he just got here to the...
No, we had a description of your description that you were walking around the property.
Yeah, well, I was here and the car was closed, so I couldn't get out.
So let me understand this car's yours?
So, at the moment, I just bought it.
You already bought it?
Yeah.
What's wrong with it besides the key? It starts?
Yeah, it starts and everything. They just came in and picked up some spare parts.
Oh, okay. All right, yeah, they just sent us out here because I'm wondering if the owners, because there's cameras on your brother.
Oh, yeah.
So they saw you walking around.
Yeah, and they also told me, oh, the alarm is activated after 5 automatically, so...
But they closed the gate behind you or what?
Yeah, they just moved the car here and they closed the gate over.
Okay. What's your last name, brother?
Just Martinez.
I'm sorry?
I don't want to give any identifying information. I'll just give you my first name, Joel.
Well, I need your info, man, because I'm talking to you, brother, because you're the person that they called on. So, Martinez, first name?
Nah, it's chill.
What's that?
It's just like that. I'm not gonna give my information right now.
Okay, why not?
Just.
Okay. Now here's the thing, brother. I'm gonna be honest with you, Mr. Martinez.
Yeah.
Now, me asking you for your information is nothing illegal.
Oh,
okay?
it's not.
I'm just asking you because you're the person they called on. I need to find out who you are, and you're telling me one thing, so I gotta call the property manager and ask them if they were the ones that allowed you on the property.
Yeah, that's the investigation, right?
Yeah. So I need your name, brother.
Well, I gave you my last name, and you could just call the property man. And
do you have an ID?
I do.
You mind if I see it?
I do.
Okay, why is that, brother? Because I don't want to be difficult, man.
No, I'm not trying to be difficult either.
As long as I'm cooperative with you, you're cooperative with me, man.
Oh, okay. Yeah, well...
This goes a lot smoother for both of us.
Okay, we'll leave it like this and we can call it choose. I'll give you my last name and that's about it, because at the end of the day, I'm not legally provided to give you the full name. I'll just leave it at the last name, bro.
Okay, well, here's the thing is, brother, and I don't know where you heard this from or what, but since I'm investigating what's going on in this property and you're the one that matches the description, I need to know who I'm talking to. Now, if you want to take this further, you want to complain, you want to whatever, it's up to you, bro. But see, look, I'm coming to you respectfully, bro. Okay?
What was it?
Mendes, brother. Mendes. So I'm just investigating what's going on, bro. Now, if you fail to ID yourself, I'm asking you lawfully to see who you are. You're the one making it difficult. Now, if you want to impair my investigation, that's fine. That's on you. Okay, but I don't think you want to take it to that extent, brother. For giving me your name and date of birth.
¿No tienes una identificación?
No me la quiero dar, señor.
¿De aquí?
No, tuya, yours.
¿No sé?
No, you have any ID?
Sí, I do.
Show him.
Oh, no.
Okay, so I'm going to warn you now. Warn you now, brother. You don't give me your ID or your full name, I'm going to arrest you for failure to ID.
Okay, so...
Because I'm investigating, brother. That's all I'm doing.
Okay. It's fine like that. Okay, I'll give you my name after what I say this.
Okay. All I need is your name and date of birth, bro. That's it.
Under the
I'm not
Fourth
asking
Amendment?
you. I'm not.
And I'm a law student here too, so
Perfect.
it's not that
I'm not asking you for a blood sample. I'm not asking for your DNA. All I'm asking.
That's a CSUM identification.
Okay, correct. So I'm gonna investigate.
Calls are not reasonable articulable suspicion to suspect me of a crime under Florida versus JL under the Supreme
Perfect.
Court.
But I'm not here to argue with you.
Yeah, I'm not here to argue. I'm here to defend my rights.
So I'm asking for your name and okay, that has nothing to do with me because I don't know you.
It doesn't. I don't know you either, officer.
Okay.
I thought you were a chill officer when you go down like, hey, raise my hands, whatever. They're like, hey, okay, he'll respect my rights. I'll just give out my last name.
But you're the one making this difficult. All I'm asking for is your name.
It's really not difficult. And it's not impeding your investigation because it's not a physical, or it doesn't. Giving you my ID doesn't help you out.
You're in law school, right? You're a law student. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you gotta understand, sir. I'm investigating. Okay, you match the description of the gentleman that was in the yard. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the only reason why I'm asking for you. Yes, it said that you were in the yard.
Yeah, it says you were in the property.
So that's the only reason why I'm asking you. Yes, brother. And I'm not gonna run your name. I'm not. All I'm doing is that I make contact with you, and that's it.
Well,
but
yeah,
now you're making it bigger than it is because all I'm asking is for a name and date of birth. You don't want to give me your ID? Just give me your name and date of birth, and that's it.
Yeah, unfortunately, the state takes you.
Yeah, dude, you have to identify yourself, man. You're making
Texas is more.
You're like you said, all you got to do is your name and
You're making this bigger than it is, brother. That's
Everything
it.
checks okay, we go on our way, man.
All I have is Martinez. You were giving me your first name like a normal person would.
Okay, my name is not going to help you in your investigation, first of all.
Yeah, but I made contact with you, brother. That's the only thing,
contact is not enough reasonable suspicion for you to seize my identification.
You're not being placed on arrest or anything, brother. Okay?
Okay, are you asking for my name?
I'm asking for your full name,
okay,
brother.
if you're asking for my name, I exercise my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. If you're demanding my ID, that's a fourth.
I'm not demanding. I did never demand. All I said is give it to me, okay? Now here's the problem. I'm investigating, okay?
Okay, but are you asking for my identification or?
I'm asking you for name and date of birth. That's all I'm asking for.
Asking, right?
That's it, brother.
Don't answer questions.
All right, man. So if you want to play this card with me, man, I got all night. No, you know what? You don't need a supervisor because what's going to happen is, dude, I'm going to place you under arrest for failure ID, okay? And that's going to be on you, not me, brother.
So you already said that it's going to be under arrest?
Yes.
I will be under arrest if I don't give you my identification.
Go ahead and turn around, brother. Go ahead and turn around.
So I'll give you my dear now.
Go ahead and turn around. No. Put your hands on the card. You already failed to identify yourself, okay? Give me your left. Give me your right arm. You want to play games, brother. I'm here being nice. And you don't want to give me your name and date of birth. And then all this just for a car, bro. That's it.
The deputy arrests Mr. Martinez for refusing to give his full name and date of birth, according to Section 38.02 of the Texas Penal Code, which codified the offense of failure to identify, quote, "A person commits an offense if he intentionally refuses to give his name, residence address, or date of birth to a peace officer who has lawfully arrested the person and requested the information." Since Mr. Martinez was not under arrest at the time the deputy requested his name, it is almost certain the deputy did not have probable cause to arrest him for failure to identify.
Okay, bueno pues. Ahí estamos. I'm going to read your Miranda. Thank you,
Use your
sir.
car so we can impound it.
Yeah, it says he just purchased it. All right. Come on, bro. Okay. You come? Come on. All right. Stand right there. No, you're staying right there because you're going to my unit. You're under arrest.
Oiga, señor. ¿Puede pagar mi teléfono, por favor? ¿Puede pagar mi teléfono, por favor? Está allí en la ventana de enfrente, por favor. ¿La puede pagar? Mi teléfono antes de que se muera.
All right, want to take a second there?
First time on the back of the car.
Oh. Man, you see you're a law student, bro. ¿Qué pues?
And
you'll see. All you had to do was
No, you'll see. No, you'll see when we get to the station. You'll see when you get to the station.
That was in his wallet?
Yeah.
Well, thank God you rolled down, dude.
So what do you want to do with the vehicle? Impound it?
Yeah, impound it, brother.
I think he was saying that they kicked him out.
Yeah, that's what they were. I saw the notes. Oh, shoot, who's this?
Here to help you guys up. It's 7 minutes. Come hang out.
Oh, all right, cool. You're on days or what?
The other shift. I'm on crossbow shift.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you came to help us out tonight?
Till further notice.
Oh, okay, cool.
I didn't know if you were gonna make it, so.
Yeah, I'm here. So, Impound it, sir?
Yeah, impound the vehicle. It's his, so you can tell this guy to take off. He doesn't need to be here.
You need anything, sir?
No, dude, I'm just gonna go process this guy. I'm gonna present it and just gonna read him his Miranda's real quick. All right, Mr. Martinez, before we go to the station, I'm gonna read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you. If you decide to answer questions now without any attorney present, okay, you will have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to an attorney. Do you understand the rights I've just read to you? With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
No, I don't answer questions.
Okay, perfect. Disculpe por la molestia, señor.
No, no, no.
¿Lo conoce a él? I'm gonna take him to the station, okay?
Hey,
What's up?
Hold on, we're searching your car.
Did you have keys on him?
No, there's no keys. Supposedly he was telling me that he lost them inside. He just bought this car from inside. That's what he told me.
There's a couple of grinders, but there's nothing illegal
No.
right now.
He's saying he just bought this car inside the lot. And he was in there looking for parts, and he dropped the keys in there. So he's waiting. He was waiting for a locksmith to start the car. So I need to call the owner to see if it's true.
So what do you want to do? You want to impound it or what?
This car, yeah. Yeah.
In this next portion, a supervisor realizes the mistakes of his officer. He immediately releases Mr. Hernandez.
Hi, sir. So I'm the supervisor here. I was just made aware of what happened.
Yeah.
So I don't think it qualifies for any crime, okay?
It doesn't qualify for crime?
I'm gonna go ahead and release him.
Of course. I want that officer's badge number.
Yeah, I will
This
give
is
you.
unacceptable. Oh my god, I am so fucking pissed right now.
Let me finish talking to you, okay?
What's your badge number?
Mine?
Yeah, or your name?
Sergeant Procopio,
Procopio?
ID 5701. I'll give you a case number.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna get all cameras, dash cam, body cam, phone calls, everything. It did not constitute a crime. Look what he did.
Let's work talk over here.
Oh.
And the light's working.
My belongings?
Let me go get it.
Yeah.
Like I said, I just got here.
Yeah.
And I was just briefed of the incident. So I'm trying to get all the facts of what happened.
I'm like, whatever. I get down and it's like, hey, like, oh, we got a call, and that you were inside the property, that you were looking at, or what? He said that you were inside the property, and then like, okay, and then and then they say, okay, what's your name? What? He's like, what's your last name? Martinez. He's like, okay, what's your first name? He's like, oh, I'm not gonna give it right now. He's like, okay. He's like, why not? He's like, I'm trying to I'll give you my name, whatever. He tells me, like, you know. And they're like, okay, but I'm not going to give you my name out because I'm not legally required to give it to you right now. Mm-hmm. I'm a law student. I let them know too. An MSU criminal justice major. I let them know I'm a law student. And under Florida versus JL, an anonymous call or a call is not enough reasonable articulable suspicion to articulate a crime. Because RAS is only based on the facts known to the officer, right? Mm-hmm. So I told, and he was like, I don't want to hear, like, give me your ID. No, he wasn't demanding. He was asking, you know, I'm asking you for your name. I'm asking. And then until he said, well, now I'm going to arrest you. You're like, okay, that's different. If you're asking what's your name, I'm going to just say, I don't answer questions. Mm-hmm. But if you demand me my ID, give me your ID, or I'm going to arrest you, or give me your ID, I'm going to arrest you, that's enough. That's all I need. Mm-hmm. I can get that on the phone and be like, okay, that's enough. Show it to my attorney, and that's enough for the litigation. And he said, and I told him that if you're threatening me with arrest, and I have it all on video. He said, if you threaten me with arrest, I'll give you my wallet. Right, I'll give you my ID right now. He's like, no, turn around, push me into the car, boom, put your phone down, set it up on the windshield, put your phone down, grab me, tie me up. He's like, you're a really stupid law student, aren't you? I'm like, okay, let's see what happens.
Okay.
Takes me into the thing, right, and I'm telling him, like, bro, you're going to sponsor my new car? I'm telling you, you're going to sponsor my new car. Oh, he thinks it's funny. He thinks he's a good law student, whatever. He leaves, doesn't, and I asked him to, and I asked the other, do I get my phone call? no, that's up to the discretion of the arresting officers. It's fine. I'll most likely calmly just waiting in the cell, disturbing anything. And as you can tell, I'm a really cordial guy. I'll talk to you, whatever. Don't disrespect me. Obviously, someone randomly goes up to you and just asking you for your name and stuff. Just nothing. It's not something you do. It's self-respect what I was doing. He arrests me, makes fun of my studies, makes fun of everything. He's like, okay, you think it's funny now, but your supervisor. And when we were over there too, I told him, call your supervisor. You don't need a supervisor. Just turn around and put your hands. All this could have been saved if you would have called you. You would have gone there and you said, hey.
Yeah, unfortunately, I was barely made aware of it.
Yeah, and he
That's why I
made
came
an
over
attempt.
here.
He's like, no, you don't need a supervisor. Took me in, and I told him with a smile on my face, this is not what you want to do, man. This is really not what you want to do.
Okay, let me go meet with him. So what are you missing?
With my phone, my
Your
wallet,
car,
and
as
my
far as your
AirPods.
car, I canceled whatever record they had en route. So that
They also searched my car without consent. So
that, I guess, like you said,
this does not look good for the department. I'm gonna say it.
as far as searching it, I understand that the deputy made a mistake. And when a person is arrested, we have to do what we call an inventory.
Yeah, it's an inventory check.
So
I get that.
It's all part. It's not separate from the.
But when it's an unlawful arrest, that makes an unlawful search. It's an unlawful. This whole thing was unlawful. The moment he put his hands on me, that was unlawful. This whole situation became unlawful. Therefore, that was an unlawful search. I lost the guy that was going to give me a key, so now I have to call someone to come and pick me up, and the car's going to have to stay wherever it's at. Still, I can't get a hand of a locksmith right now.
So, how can we fix it? Okay, the deputy made a mistake. That's going to be addressed, of course.
Well, where's the deputy? You said he was going to be here.
He's here. But I want to meet with you first.
Okay. Well, I give you my side. I would like to hear the deputy side right here.
Okay.
If that's fine.
As far as your car, there's your property.
I have your stuff right here. Your phone, your wallet, your AirPods.
Yeah, you can hand this over.
Yeah.
Thank you. What was your name?
Rangel.
Rangel. Next number?
4535.
456. Nice to meet you. Yeah. I have the videos here.
I believe you. I'm not
Everything-
saying I don't.
No.
I'm just trying to get the facts as far as
Well, those are the facts.
yeah, from your point of view. As far as us, my understanding is that someone called and said that there was suspicious activity. I get it, it's not a crime,
It's not.
but that's enough reason to detain someone.
Not detained.
As far
It's enough reason to make contact. When you illegally detain someone, that's already a cease of someone's person because you temporarily are ceasing that person onto your authority. Because if you tell me I'm detained, I can't walk off, right? That's a question. Like if you say, Joe, you're detained, can I just walk
when you're
off?
investigating a possible trespasser or a possible
No. That's not my question though. My question is, if you're detained, can I just walk off? Like if you said, hey,
you
you're
know the
detained.
answer to this, sir.
You
Detain,
can. If it's a
you have to
consensual, like for example, like if you
Are
see
you talking
me,
about consensual encounter?
yeah, if you see me like jumping a fence, that's enough reasonable suspicion to say, okay, I think he's burglarizing their house, if whatever it is, the case, whatever. But that's or if someone calls and say, oh, I saw this guy that looks like me right now, jumping a fence. That's enough for you to say, hey, you're matching a description. Where were you? That's a consensual encounter. You don't
No, it's not.
you don't go and say, hey, you're detained because we suspect you of trespassing. Because suspicion is based on the facts known to the officer,
That's
not to
enough
the not
for
not to
detention.
the. That's enough for what?
That's enough for the detention.
So the detention was lawful. You're saying?
The detention was. The photo ID in the arrest was not.
So this whole thing became unlawful because first off he never said that I was detained. Never once said that I was detained.
I'm trying to answer your questions.
Okay. This question. Okay, going back to what happened today. He never said that I wasn't detained. So as far as I'm concerned, I could have walked off. Because if you just ask me or it's a consensual encounter, I can make it unconsensual and just walk away.
There's a lot of what ifs. Yeah, I mean, I can sit here and say that, but that's why I'm trying to find the facts. First from you, then from the deputy, and then we'll move on.
Okay,
with questions.
I'm done with my story. You can have the deputy give his side.
Okay. his story is basically your story, pretty much. So what I'm gonna do, of course, luckily I caught it on time. Yeah, you were brought over to the station. That was kind of a mistake, of course.
You can still sense the supervisor is trying his hardest to protect his officer. Although he released Mr. Hernandez, he is still downplaying the situation. This was not some simple mistake. This was a violation of Mr. Hernandez's Fourth Amendment rights.
So Deputy Rangel is going to take you as far as the law.
Doesn't want to see you, no? Or...
It's a different process. Of course, you do have a complaint.
Well, okay, let's put it this way. If he comes here and apologizes to me, I won't litigate this whole thing. Yes, Mr. 14. So, have anything to say to me? No? You said you laughed at me? Said that I was a dumb law student? Did I or did I not? Okay. Did you or did you not?
Did I not?
Did you say that I was a dumb law student?
No, I didn't say where you learned law, sir.
No, sir. You got me into the cruiser. It's on your body cam too. It's on my phone too. We got into the cruiser, and you said like, "You're a really dumb law." When we were getting down here in the station too, "You're a really dumb law student, aren't you?" You get me into the thing, and you start making fun. Oh, everybody, look at him. He's a law student. He's a law student. You left me in there with the cuffs on.
Okay.
And I told you, didn't I tell you that what you were doing was unlawful? Did you believe me?
No, it's not that I didn't believe you.
Okay. Did you get the supervisor when I asked you to?
Okay.
No, you said I didn't need one.
No, I never said.
It's on your body camera. It's on my phone.
Yes,
Don't lie.
you asked your supervisor. Well, what did I tell you?
You said you don't need one. Turn around and put your hands behind your
No,
back.
I told you we're not going to get one until we get to the station.
You know what? You don't need a supervisor because what's going to happen is, dude, I'm going to place you under arrest for failure ID, okay? And that's going to be on you, not you, brother.
No, you didn't. It's on your body camera.
I wouldn't disrespect my supervisor like that, man.
Well,
because we were in the motions, and and I'm in the wrong. I really am. I'm not going to lie to you, brother. Okay?
You are in the wrong, and I told you were in the wrong, and I told you were gonna, and I told you all this, and what you thought was funny.
I never thought it was funny.
No, you laughed. You walked in and tried to make everyone laugh.
Funny were your comments, brother. That's it.
What were my comments?
Your comments that you're saying Florida code this. Somebody get a new Mustang.
Florida versus JL. That's case law. You don't know case law? I can tell because you unlawfully arrested me. It wasn't a mistake. He broke the law. It's not a mistake.
And that's what we're here.
That's why we're here. And now you are gonna buy me a new Mustang. You are, because now all this. That's going to get FOIA request, your dash cam in your car, everything, my phone, your badge numbers, everything's going to come into one single file record. It's going to come in here tomorrow. And that's going to go straight to my attorney. And how do you think, and you lost your qualified immunity right now. Right now,
Okay,
you're by
sir.
yourself.
So it's getting out of control. You said something different to me before. Take off. I will take your complaint.
Do you have the complaint form? I can fill out?
No, I have to fill it out myself. Is there anything else besides what you told me at first that has changed? Or anything else that we have to add to your complaint?
No, that's fine. I'll see you in court.
It is unknown if Mr. Martinez has followed through with any litigation. The ending is very interesting. Mr. Martinez essentially tricks the officer into losing his qualified immunity by getting him to outright confess to violating his Fourth Amendment rights. He seemingly tricked the supervisor as well by telling him he wouldn't proceed with legal action if the arresting officer apologized. Although the officer did refuse to apologize, maybe this swayed Mr. Martinez's mind and was the final straw to push legal consequence. Overall, this was a very satisfying encounter and shows the ignorance of some police officers. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.